Hey there, my old friend. Welcome back to Dyadya Vova's YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the best gin tonic cocktail you've ever tried. So stick around. Start by getting yourself a ice cold Icelandic gin, just like this one. Then get yourself one lemon, one bottle of tonic. Slice yourself a couple of lemons, the more the better. So after that, what you do, you just throw in some lemons and you crush it. Make sure to get all the juices out of there. Like that. Yeah. So after you finish crushing your lemons, you can put your gin. In my case, I put some botanist. It's up to you if you want to measure, but measuring is for pussies. So after you need to put some ice, you can put small little cubes, but I like to put big cubes. So after that, you just need to put some tonic, and that's pretty much it, my friends. And voila, my friends! That's how you make a cocktail with Dyadya Vova. Now it's time to give it a try and see how it tastes. Not bad, not bad. It tastes Irish, you know, tastes good. Very good floral notes, lemony notes, very refreshing. So thank you very much for enjoying my cocktail, and subscribe to Dyadya Vova's channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.